ever wondering what lily beetle, the effects of lily beetle are, and you can look at this decimation. It's not too bad on these ones. This is the first year these were in. They're only £1 from B&Q. There was 2 here. You can see the leaves are quite badly affected, particularly on these. I've already had to cut one out. Oh, you can see the leaves quite bad, particularly on that one. And then these as well. I can't see any this morning, but I'll put a picture on the screen. They're quite small and red. First mistook them for ladybirds. When you look at it close, there's no red spots on them like you'd find on a ladybird. There you go. There's one. Now, from what I've read, there isn't really any sort of spray you can effectively use. What I've read is the best thing to do is to pick them off and squash them, and then they won't come back, hopefully. But I've been doing that probably for a good few weeks, and keep finding more, so I'm not quite sure where they're coming from. What I've read is they do leave like a dark kind of lava or egg sac on the underside of the leaves, which I have found on one occasion, but not very often am I finding it, so I'm not quite sure where they're coming from, whether they keep coming back, but I do find 1 or 2 every now and then. The best way to do them is just to pull them off and kill them. I'm not wearing gloves at the moment, so I'll just use a leaf, pick him off, and then squash him. So hopefully these lilies will come back. And there's some more as well. Again, they've been decimated really. I mean, you can see the effect on there. So hopefully they'll come back next year. I'd imagine they should do, but if they don't, I mean, they're only £1, so it's not the end of the world. We'll have a look at some more in the back garden in a couple of videos time. So it just gives you an idea of the effects of lily beetle, and also we just happen to find one, what they look like and what you can do about it.